I have these bottle caps. I got them from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to remove the jute hanger from the top, and I'm going to be using 3 of them. They are 6 inches in diameter. I grabbed this scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to do an Americana theme. Now you could pick any theme of your choice. And I'm going to start by tracing the circle on the back of the striped piece of paper, and I'm going to cut the circle out. And I did this 3 times so that each bottle cap had a striped paper. Then I found these galvanized stars with the wood from Dollar Tree as well, and I'm going to be using the star pattern on both of the stars. So to adhere the scrapbook paper to the star, I'm going to use some Wise Owl 1-hour enamel clear. You can also use some Wise Owl varnish, Mod Podge, or even just hot glue. I'm going to apply the 1-hour enamel to the wood and lay my scrapbook paper down on top of it. And I'm just going to rub it in so that it adheres to the wood, and then I'm going to place another coat of the 1-hour enamel on top of it. And I did this to each star. And you're going to set those aside to fully dry. I'm then going to adhere the circles to the inside of the 3 bottle caps, and I'm also using the Wise Owl 1-hour enamel clear. And again, you can also just hot glue them down if that is easier for you. And I did that so each bottle cap had the striped design paper on the inside. I'll set those aside to dry, and I'm going to go back to my star shapes, and using my razor blade, I'm just going to cut off the excess scrapbook paper. And when the 1-hour enamel dries, it kind of makes the edges a little hard, so it's easy to use the razor blade to cut the excess off. And I'm just using the wood as my guide. And I did the same thing on the other star. I got these white letters from Hobby Lobby. They are 4 inches high, and I'm going to glue a U, an S, and an A on the inside of the bottle cap. Next, I'm going to take some jute, and now all of these galvanized pieces already have the hole on the top of them. I'm going to start by stringing the star onto the jute, and I'm just going to wrap the jute around the tip of the star and glue it in place. Since there is only one hole on the top of the star, I don't want it to move around on my jute. And then I'm going to string the jute into the top of the bottle cap. Now, the bottle caps had 2 pre-drilled holes, so these will hang very nicely without having to drill any extra holes into the bottle cap. And then I'm going to finish it with the other star. And I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm just going to wrap the jute around the tip of the star there and just hold that in place with a little bit of hot glue. Now you can add some beads in between each letter. You could add smaller stars. You could dress this up a little more if you'd like. And then I'm just going to cut off all the extra jute. And there we go. Now we have this nice USA garland. Thank you so much for watching. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.